हेलो गाइस, आप सभी को स्वागत है सब बस पे चैनल पे। To all the boys and girls, hope all of you are doing well. As I have told, I'll be coming each and every day with a video for all of you guys. So hope you all are doing well. So आज we have World Cup as well for the women cricket World Cup as well. So yeah, it's an interesting day, right? So thanks for giving and showcasing all of your support, everyone. So a lot of motivation for me as I have mentioned on my today's video. Planning something different on this channel. So we'll be bringing some different sort of facts which might be known or might not be known to us. So yeah, let's start today. I thought to be up till 70 or 80. Okay, let's see where we can reach because sometimes I die quite early because I've not played for 2 to 3 years, So probably the hand you're good at it also goes away. So you have to keep on practicing, right? So today, if you're a Subway Surfer gamer, any one of you do you know Subway Surfer was first game to hit 1 billion downloads on Google Play. It might be interesting to some of you, but 1 billion downloads something a huge thing for a game, right? Incredible as well. And Jake's code which he is using, it was inspired by real graffiti skaters in Copenhagen. So it's interesting to I didn't know, but I should play it. But it's a fun fact to keep on doing engaging stuff with it. So definitely it's something different. The other thing was like to reach, suppose I'm playing right now, right? You see the coin which I'm collecting with me. It takes like, if we constantly run in and around, it will take at least 5 hours for me to reach 10 million coins, and I don't think every day everybody can reach. I don't think everybody, each and everyone can reach that target, but yeah, there are some individuals who can reach and who have reached to that level. They're great by their own, but we are great on our own. Not compare ourselves with them. They are better players, right? And I was at some time that sort of player, but you need a lot of concentration on this game. Your reflexes need to be pretty fast. You can't think quick. You have to think fast. There is nothing you can do like if you do that, you lose on time and you lose on everything now. 10 million coins is something I don't know. So, recently, there was a dark fact about the game we are playing, which is Subway Surfer. It was said that it was created to honor a graffiti artist who passed away during doing skateboarding. So it's interesting, and it's all about running from the inspection. So they built it in the Denmark in 2012. So that time I played. It was pretty interesting at that time. It was famous in Southeast Asia at that particular time. So yeah, definitely it was one of the great at that particular time. But yeah, uh, and Jake, the guy who is doing the skateboarding, right, was originally meant to be a graffiti villain, not a hero. So you see the skateboard with which I'm going, right? Because of the skateboarding for which the individual died, and it was one of the sad part of the game as well. So that's why, like, who died while skateboarding. That's why the whole game is all about freedom, art, and running from rules. Because rules are really important in your daily life, right? You should follow the rules whenever and whatever it takes, right? So to keep yourself safe, either in the road or you're going with two-wheeler, three-wheeler, or a four-wheeler, right, guys? So it's really important for us to follow all these rules and regulations so that we're safe each and every day and have a happy life in all around. So yeah, that is what matters the most. Individual's life is always precious, as we all consider it something special. You should always deliver it accordingly. So you guys have shown a lot of support to my videos. So I hope you all show support to my next one. Subscribe, like, and share.